Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I talk about mindful purchasing of luxury items, mostly beauty nowadays because everything else is so expensive. And I have two purchases from the Australian Dior online website. These are the holiday season sets, and look at the beautiful artwork. So I've picked this one up for a friend to gift during Christmas. I'm not so sure whether these will run out quickly, and that's why I decided to buy early. So I wouldn't open this box as I'm gifting it, and here I've got two sort of samples that I've picked up that you get for any purchases on the Dior website. So Australia Dior releases are always slower than in Europe or the States for some reason, and also there is not as a large variety as well. But maybe they will sort of gradually release them online. And this other purchase is for myself only, so I will open it. Now, a new feature of the Australian online website is that you can actually click to have a Dior gift bag sent along with your purchase, which makes gifting a whole lot easier. So it comes flat, unopened up, so that you can do that yourself. Now, I'm a bit disappointed that I get this gift box like as a generic rather than it being a holiday season sort of artwork, which is what happened last year. You can see here in the background, that's the last year's gift box for the holiday season. Once you purchase like a higher quantity or higher amount, you get the gift box. But I don't know, am I just not lucky this time? But anywho, let's open it up. So this is what I picked up for myself. Again, with the beautiful artwork for the cardboard box. So you can see what's inside from the diagram at the back. So beautiful makeup pouch that I was seeing online, so I couldn't resist to pick up one for myself. Very dainty, got a little top handle, it's very glittery, very festive, and then you've got the Dior star logo for the zipper pull and the Dior icon at the front. Doesn't say beauty pouch, which the Chanel does, so that's a bonus. But would I be wearing it as a sort of handbag? Probably not. The inside is kind of fabric lined with that sort of smooth polyester type of lining, and of course it's made in China. And yeah, look, I'm a bit disappointed at the quality here. You can see that there's already some staining here. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a completely brand new piece. Like, doesn't look like it's been used and returned or anything like that, but I think it's just like kind of staining on the fabric itself. The fabric, the white fabric, you can see sort of subtle sort of CD logo in there, but yeah, just doesn't. And then you've got like bits of glitter, so presumably from the fabric. And yep, you can see how glitter just falls out. Yeah, so definitely, I mean, it looks great. I'm not so sure of the quality of the materials that's been used, and you're probably not expecting it to be much. And I would definitely caution against making it into a handbag and wearing it crossbody. It might just damage your clothes or have glitter all over your clothing. So picked up this very versatile set with a lip balm and the hand cream, which I love. So this is the Dior Addict lip balm in a very neutral light pink color. And yeah, so very versatile kind of set. That, you know, for products that which I will probably repurchase anyway. But yeah, I mean, the pouch looks great on camera. Probably okay to use as a makeup pouch, although, you know, maybe I don't know, if it keeps on the glitter falling off and going into my drawer and shelf, I would probably feel annoyed about it. But definitely very Instagrammable photo, I have to say. And the next item I picked up along with my purchase is my favorite apricot cuticle cream. This is a repeat buy for me. It's worked wonders for my severely damaged cuticles for many years. So yeah, that's on a repeat buy. Unless the quality or the, you know, sort of with reformulations changes that, I think it will be my go-to ongoing repeat buy product. Now, as usual, I have picked up other goodies along with the purchase. So this was using a promo. Well, I think in the States you get promo code, but in Australia you basically get these promotional periods where you purchase, you know, satisfy the requirement and then you get the freebie. So this time is the Miss Dior, the new Dior Essence, the miniature bottle, houndstooth pattern, very cute bottle. It's got a nice little black bow and it's a twist top. So it's a splash bottle. It doesn't have a spray. Very berry scent compared with the normal Miss Dior. Look, I'm not a huge fan of the Miss Dior perfume. This one is a lot sweeter and very berry scent. Yeah, compared with the original one. I actually might prefer this one over the original one, but, you know, I'm still not a huge fan. But it is a very cute display bottle, and it's free with purchase, so I am not complaining. Picked up 2 samples, because why wouldn't you? And if you've been following my other videos, my beauty empties video, I do use up my samples, because don't like to waste, and why not? So that's from my recent beauty purchases. Again, yeah, beautiful artwork. Although, I mean, the artwork is on a cardboard box, so, you know, it's not like it's like a collectible, so to speak. But it is very pretty and it looks great for gifting in the holiday season. So that's it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, bye.